So this is the anatomical position of the pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle is formed by the fusion of two pelvic bones. ठीक है? It has three bones: the ilium, the ischium, and the pubis. थोड़ा पास में रख, आवाज नहीं आएगी मेरी, है ना? This is the ilium. So ilium is a triangular flat bone. It has ilium is a triangular flat bone. It has two surfaces, three angles, and three borders. This is the dorsal surface known as the gluteal surface. It has gluteal line for the attachment of gluteus muscle. Then this is the ventral surface. It is separated by a ridge. The internal or the medial surface is known as the sacral surface, and the this is the sacral. Sorry, this is the sacral surface, and this is the coxal surface. Coxal surface, sacral surface. Now it has three borders. This is the dorsal border, this thin dorsal border. It is thin and concave. This is the lateral border. It is also thin, comparatively thicker than the dorsal border, and it is also concave. And this is the lateral border, medial border. Sorry, medial border. The medial border is divided into two borders. The ischiatic border that continues to the greater ischiatic notch.
And then
The superior, ये यहाँ पे the superior ischiatic spine and the lesser ischiatic notch, and the pubic border has the psoas tubercle for the articulation of psoas minor muscle. Now we're done with the borders. Now we have the angles. This is the craniolateral angle is the tuber coccyx. यार चुप करा दे भाई अखिलेश यार, अगली चुप करा दे, तुम खुद ही बातें कर रहे हो. Tuber coccyx. This is the tuber sacral for the articulation of wings of sacrum, and the distal angle forms the anterior angle of the acetabulum. The acetabulum of the cotylid cavity. Now the ischium. Ischium is a quadrilateral shaped bone. First of all, it has two surfaces: the pelvic surface. This is the pelvic surface, and this is the ventral surface. It has four borders. This is the caudal border. It participates in the formation of ischial arc. This is the median border. It participates in the formation of what's this? The ischial symphysis. Ischial symphysis. The cranial border forms the posterior border of obturator foramen, and the lateral border forms the lesser ischiatic notch. Now we have the angles. This entire thing is the angle. This entire thing is the angle. This entire thing. It is trifid, and it is known as tuber ischii or the pin bones. Okay, and now the caudomedial angle, it participates in the formation of the ischial arc. Now we have the and it has the ventral tubercle. This is the ventral tubercle, absent in horses. Now this is the craniomedial angle. The craniomedial angle, it participates with the formation of symphysis along with the pubis, and this is the this entire thing is the craniolateral angle. That is the lateral angle of the acetabulum margin. Now we have the pubis. Pubis is also a rough triangular shaped bone. It has two surfaces, the ventral and the lateral. The anterior surface has a tubercle. Two surfaces, pelvic and the ventral. It has three surfaces. The anterior surface, it has three borders. The anterior border has the iliopubic tubercle, and the posterior border forms the anterior border of obturator foramen, and the medial border, it is articulated with the pubic symphysis of the adjacent. Now it has three angles. This one is one angle. This is one angle. The craniomedial angle, the caudomedial angle, and the craniolateral angle. It participates in the formation of the acetabulum. This is the craniolateral angle of pubic symphysis. बहुत शोर है क्लास में, but still we somehow managed to do it.
Oh God.